Do I look like a boy? A chic boy? Maybe if I stand like this, I'm like, oh, work it, girl. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. Anybody else? Oh, that girl next to me at the pump is definitely looking at me. Does anybody else think it's really, like, I have like a phobia of like putting lotion on and then touching something that's like potentially germy or dirty. For example, I just put lotion on and then I touched the gas pump and I was like, oh, I'm gonna get even more germs because it's gonna stick to this lotion. Is that logical or nah? Going to our couples massage. I love it. Post massage, feeling very slippery, very sluggy. I was just gonna talk to my camera for a minute. Is that Christmas lights or just festive lights? Going to Chewy's. I'm letting everybody know, you two and you guys, because you're the only people that watch this video once it's posted, that I'm gonna have no queso. What? Just some green sauce. Oh, you want queso? Yeah. Okay, scratch this. Don't make me scratch this video. Start this video over. I didn't get to finish telling them what I was ordering. Bought a Chewy shirt. I just bought a shirt at Chewy. Does that make me fat or cool? Good morning, everyone. It's Sunday and it's gloomy as I am going to my parents. My dad made me some coffee. He's so nice. And me and my mom are going to IKEA today. So I'll probably take you on a ride. Take you on an IKEA ride. IKEAs aren't everywhere because I remember when IKEA got built here, I mean, it was like a huge deal. Everybody was like, IKEA! I feel like it's like an honor and like a privilege that we have 2 IKEAs in the Dallas area. Like, thank you, IKEA masters. All right, I'm gonna listen to my podcast now. Good morning. Good morning. Morning, sunshine. Sorry. From his work. IKEA. We're here for one thing, fake plants. First order of business at IKEA, get a cinnamon roll. Last time I did this, I was in New York and I got yelled at. We're here at the zoo, seeing all the animals everywhere. They're running like wild. They don't keep the animals in cages at the zoo. Ooh, this one? Ooh. This is a communist store. You have to walk on the path. Walk on the path or be exiled. They told me I had to wear those yellow shirts if I was gonna work here. I wouldn't work here. Yes. Fake plants. So fake. The food that IKEA serves here smells like doo-doo. Smells like cafeteria food, but the bad cafeteria food that you never wanted to eat. Not the chicken nuggets and not the pizza. The like surprise stew. It's Wednesday surprise. AKA tell your mom to make you a peanut butter sandwich. We are overloaded. Overloaded. My mom's gonna buy all my stuff. No. Whoa. 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 We made it out alive. Are you happy with your purchases? Yes. Well, I wanted to buy a fake plant. You wouldn't let me buy the real one. She said I would kill it. It's rude. I water my cactuses, my succulents. I should get a cactus. It's waiting. Well, thanks for coming to IKEA. It's been a while since we got home, but thanks for following along. Don't forget to what?
Share, like, subscribe.
Yeah.